Buy unsalted and unroasted almonds from market. Almonds in cells are the best. Break the cells to take out the almonds. Or you can buy almonds without cells. They are treated before coming to store, so their germination success rate is poor. But you can try. It is an interesting project. Put the almonds in water for 1 day. Floating almonds are not good for germination. Discard them. Take a paper towel and place the soaked seeds on it. Fold the paper and sprinkle some water. Then seal it in a polythene sheet and place in refrigerator. Check the seeds every 10 days to see if the germination has started. Throw away any seeds with fungus. Change the paper if mold develops. The seeds will take 1 to 2 months to sprout. Mix some river sand or perlite in potting mix and fill a small pot. Plant the seed half inch deep in soil and water. The seedling will appear in 4-5 days. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to know when the new videos are uploaded. Also, please like the video.